Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today to share some happy mail that I received today. I received some boo mail from my friend NurseTara04 here on YouTube. Hey Tara, thank you so much for thinking of me. This is a wonderful surprise. I love receiving mail from Miss Nurse Tara. She is so extra cute with all her packaging, and look I just opened up the box. I haven't even peeked, but look how super cute her little box is on the inside with all those little stickers. Absolutely adorable. And then she's even has this side right here. Super cute already. All right, so let's dig in. I don't know what she sent me. Oh my goodness, look at all this. This is so cute. Oh, it says spooky. Oh, she even put a bow on the pumpkin. That's really cute, Tara. Love that. And then I'm trying to show you all sides. Here's the other side right here. It says beware, and she's got the poison and all the little stickers. This is so cute. I love the way you decorated the flaps. That's a great idea, just to do the flaps and not like the entire box. Oh my goodness, it looks like she sent me some goodies. And I'm so glad I have my scissors right here. So I'm gonna snip very carefully off to the side so I don't mess it up. It looks like a wand. She's got this wrapped so nicely. I want to be careful because I don't want to tear anything. Just give me a second so I can get it open. All right, there we go. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's one of her lollipop wands. Oh, Tara, thank you so much. It's so pretty. And of course, I love all the purple. And she's got her Alina Craft bow right there and that beautiful purple bling, girl. And then look, she actually has a real lollipop right there in it. And then look at her crepe paper rosettes, which are so fabulous. She layers it so many times. Girl, this is gorgeous. And look at this pretty trim. And on the back it says, eek. Oh, love it. Another wand to add to my collection because you know I'm not going to take this apart for the lollipop. Super cute. I love it. Thank you, Tara. Yay. I love that. Oh, and then here's another lollipop that I could just eat if I really wanted to. That's so pretty. Look at, she even has all this pretty trim. Where did you get this trim? Is that Joann's? I never see trims like that. Those are pretty. You'll have to tell me, Tara. Thank you so much. And then this is her first package. Tara is so extra with her packaging. Trick or treat. I think that's like a window cling. She's got this packed up so nicely. I need to step up my packaging, I think. My packaging game. Oh my goodness. And I'm sorry for the crinkling, you guys. I'm trying to carefully open this without... Okay, here we go. So it says trick or treat, and look at that little sticker right there. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to open it very carefully. I'm sorry, you guys. Oh, it's a loaded bag. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous, Tara. Oh yay, I'm so happy. I see those rosettes. Oh my gosh, so yes, look at those beautiful rosettes. She sent me some a while back and they are just gorgeous. Look how thick they are. Those are so pretty with the black glitter. Thank you, Tara. Thank you for sending me some. And I love your little packaging with the little scalloped and then the little stitched die. That is really, really pretty. Love it. Cannot wait to use those. I'll save them for next year. Look at this cute tag. And then she's got her cute bow with this resin piece that says trick or treat. How adorable is that with this fun paper? Oh, it says, hey girlie, sorry this is late, but I hope you enjoy and use the goodies next year. Big hugs, Tara. Of course, girl, you know I will. Thank you so much for sending them. Yes, I actually, I did use some of the sequins that you sent me last year, this year. So yes, you know how we do. It's all good. Oh, look at, she made this a back clip, like a little paper clip from the Dollar Tree. That's really cute. I like that idea. And then she sent me some of these really cute tags, and this is that little collection from Joann's, and I never did pick it up. And there was like two like little sheets that I really liked, but I didn't pick it up. But thank you for sending me these, so now I have some to play with, so yay! All right, and then she's got some more goodies in here. Oh my goodness, look at these extra cute little bat bows. Oh, these are adorable. All right, let me just open it up because these are so extra cute that we have to see them up close, right? But look how pretty. Look at the little, oh my gosh, she's so cute. That's a resin piece and she's got a double layer bow. I love the way you did that, and she's got the bat bow from Allie. Oh, this is cute, Tara. Look at that gem, that's huge. And then look at this one. Oh, I like how you use that, that foil paper. That is really cute. I will definitely be using these bows next year for sure. Love that double layered bow idea. Definitely gonna be using that idea. And then she always puts a little bit of fun sequins in her little mix. So thank you for that. And I'll definitely save all of that for sure. How cute. Oh, look at this little, it's a little wand and it's a bow. It says trick or treat. Where did you get those, Tara? Did you get them from Allie? I wonder. How stinking cute. She used her little rosette. I love it. Love, love, love. And look at, she's got glitter all over this rosette. It's just sparkly heaven. If you can see how pretty that is. Thank you so much, Tara. So yay, I got another little wand and I will add that to my collection. Oh my gosh. So she sent even more of these beautiful rosettes that she's made. Let me take them out so we can see them. Oh, these are gorgeous, Tara. Look at these, you guys. Oh my goodness. So pretty. This glitter. Look at that glitter. It's just so sparkly. It's gorgeous. And I love the little stickers that you use. Aren't those pretty? Oh my gosh. Love it. I still have not tried to make these crepe paper rosettes. Yeah, you know, I'm gonna have to FaceTime you for a tutorial. I know that there's tutorials, but you know what I mean. Love it. And then on the back it says boo. So cute. And then here's another little bag, and she has a really pretty another crepe paper rosette. And look at it, it's so shiny. Is that glitterific or something? That's so pretty. And she turned it into a little clip. And then it looks like she's sharing some little treat bags with me. Yes, these are treat bags that I can use for next year. So thank you. Adorable. And then, oh, she sent me these cute little stickers, the little ghost stickers. And I think I picked them up, but I think I gifted them to somebody. So yay, now I have some to keep. So thank you so much, Tara. That is super cute. All right, moving along. Let me see. This is her bag. Look at that bat. I think that was from Target. It's like a felt bat. Isn't that pretty? And then here's the back. It says Happy Halloween. Is that a sticker? You'll have to tell me. That's really pretty. I love that. And then she's got some stickers down here that she added to the little scene. And a cute little bat. Super, super cute. And then there's some more. Oh, she made some little tags. And oh, and she made she has the little cut. She has the die where you can make the little slit and then you can add your little paper clip to it like that. So it's perfect to hold the little paper clip. Adorable, Tara. Love that. I think I have that die. I'm pretty sure I do. So cute. So I have two little spider clips and they have blingy eyes. Extra, extra adorable. And then, oh my gosh, she sent all this candy. Which way is the candy? Oh, look how cute. Look how cute. She made the little topper. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. I've got to take that out. I love this. And especially, I've never seen dark chocolate Kit Kat. So thank you for that, Tara. Girl, you know I'm going to be eating that for sure. Oh my gosh, I love your little witch. I didn't even pull this die out this year. It says, which way is the candy? Isn't that adorable? I love that, Tara. Love, love, love. I'm saving this. I'm going to probably put it on a card or something. I don't know, maybe an October daily. And then look at this one. It has the black glitter behind and the glittery shoes. That's so stinking cute. I'm sorry if it's not focused. I think it's the glare, but thank you so much for that. Love, love, love. Oh my gosh. And then there's more. What else did you send? No, a pizza box. Stop. Tara, you sent me so many goodies. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, girl. I truly appreciate you. You know that. And I know how busy you are. Oh my gosh. So look at this. She made me a pizza box. It says, hey boo, hey boo. And she's got a little sticker right there. These cute little ghosties. And I think that's stickers. And she's got some bling down here. How cute is that? I'm sorry if I'm moving around so much, you guys. And then she's got a really pretty button right there. And then she's got her little pom-pom trim around the entire box. I love the paper collection that you used. How pretty is that? Yes, I need to bust out these pizza boxes. You know we've got like 50 of them. Oh my goodness. So here's the inside of this pizza box, and she's got Sassy Witch, and she's got Happy Halloween, all these fun little stickers, and she used some trim down here and decorated it with these fun stickers. This is so cute. What paper collection is this, Tara? I don't know what paper collection that is. Okay, so here is what's on the inside. Look at these super cute little rosettes. I did get this resin piece, and I didn't use it, but I love how you use the glitterific on these rosettes. I gotta try that. I have got to try that. So cute. I will definitely use these next year. She's got her little bow and then the boo in the middle. So cute. And then look at the little ghost sequence. Super, super cute. That's probably Cartwright. Right, Tara? You'll have to tell me. Those are super cute. Oh my gosh. How cute is the little ghost with the purple bow? She is everything. Love it. And she sent me some socks. Yes, I love my socks. And I'm going to wear these next year for Halloween. Thank you, thank you. And then she sent me some more bows. These are so super cute. Look at that little candy corn one. How cute is that? And it has trick or treat. Super, super cute. Thank you, Tara. Girl, I am set. So next year, I don't need to make one single bow. I'm popping this box out and I'm using your bows on projects. Seriously, these are so cute. And I love this sequence in here. It's so pretty. But look at that bling. How gorgeous. I love your bows, girl. I'm so happy that you got this bow die. And if that wasn't enough, girl, you hooked me up. I am so set on bows. Again, she used all these different resin pieces, and I think this is maybe a sticker or, I don't know, or is that a die cut? I'm not even sure, but it's so pretty, gorgeous, and her packaging is just everything. Love it. Thank you so much, Tara. This is so super sweet. And then she has, oh, she sent me some hand cream. It says, "Witch Please." And this is probably from Bath and Body Works. Yes, thank you, girl. You sent me my last Bath and Body stuff. And then she sent me some sequins. Oh, these are cute. And I love the little black tops. Where'd you get these? Oh my goodness, girl. Where did you get these little things? I'll have to watch your video. Oh, you sent me some ghosts. Yay. Thank you. How fun. Tara, thank you so much, girl. You know I heart you, heart you, heart you, heart you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys, if you're not familiar with Nurse Tara's channel, of course, I will link it down below. She's absolutely amazing. NurseTara04. Leave a comment. Tell her what you think. Go show her some love, and I will see everybody in my next video. Bye for now.